Hello again. It is your loan guy. It is Troy with the Reichert Mortgage Team, bringing you a mortgage market moment again. We really want to provide that value for you. Now, if you feel like this is some valuable information, I have a couple of favors for you. Please like this information on my YouTube channel. If you're watching on my YouTube channel, please, if you know somebody that's looking to buy a home or maybe refinance later on down the road, please share this information. Really important that we get good information in front of folks. And my YouTube channel, I'm asking for subscribers out there, really trying to get this growing and making sure that as many people have the right information at the right time. So please like, share, and subscribe if you are indeed willing to do that. Now, we have a couple of things we're going to be talking about. Before we get started, though, just remember, these are just a few scenarios. We're talking about VA 30-year fixed, FHA, and conventional, okay? Just a couple of things that we're going to be going over, the big three, as I call it. There are some other options out there that we have because we are indeed a broker. What does that mean for you? Well, a broker means statistically that we do have better interest rates and fees than some of the big box folks out there. So we definitely want to give us an opportunity to look at those numbers for you, okay? And it does give us those other loan products. So realize that as well. Now, interest rates do change daily and sometimes multiple times a day. So we are time stamping this as of 08:30 Mountain Standard Time on the 26th of September. We're going to get started here with our scenario. Remember, our scenario is a $450,000 purchase price, okay? We also folded $175 a month each for property taxes and homeowners insurance. We do not factor in a homeowners association, no HOA in this whatsoever. So each home is going to be unique, but we at least want to try to give you a baseline, give you an idea of the trending of what's going on for both interest rates, APR, and monthly payments. So without any further ado, we're going to talk about a VA purchase. 660 credit score is how we put this together. No money down. Today's interest rate 6.75 on a 30-year fix with an APR of 6.803 and 6.996, depending upon whether you're financing a VA funding fee or not. Estimated monthly payment is $32.68 and change to $33.26 and change. Again, that VA funding fee being financed will indeed change your monthly payment. Now, conventional purchase, we talk about a 740 credit score, 10% down, 7.625 on that interest rate with a 7.820 APR, estimated monthly payment of $32.77 and change for that. FHA purchase, again, 660 credit score, just like the VA, 3.5% down, which is the minimum for the FHA, 6.75 on that interest rate with a 7.525 APR, estimated monthly payment 3,413 and change. Remember the big change for as far as APR and monthly payment on FHA compared to VA, even though the interest rate is the same, is that monthly mortgage insurance. FHA has monthly mortgage insurance always, regardless of down payment. VA does not, okay? General direction of how interest rates are going compared to last time we chatted. They are indeed a little bit higher than last week. Well, why is that? Well, the Fed did talk about some things. They did not raise the short-term interest rates. Remember, the short-term interest rates are what the Federal Reserve affects, but they do have an indirect effect on the economy and indeed mortgage rates. So while the Fed did not raise the short-term rates, they did have in some press conferences, they repeatedly mentioned proceeding carefully on potential interest rate hikes, and maybe there's even an opportunity for a rate hike later on in the year, and maybe keeping rates higher for a little bit longer to make sure that they have the effect that the Federal Reserve is trying to have it, which is again trying to quell inflation. So that's their ultimate goal here for sure. That kind of language really trickled the interest rates up a little bit, saying that they're going to be higher for longer, those kind of things, among other global and economic information that came in. So don't forget, though, I really want to foot stomp this. Even though interest rates are trickling a little bit higher, that does not mean there isn't an opportunity for you. We want to take a look at your situation to make sure that maybe there's a deal out there for you, because if inventory is out there a little bit longer, sellers might be more willing to indeed help out with closing costs, maybe lower the payment, maybe a combo of both, right? We need to look at those things. And there are some programs out there to temporarily lower your interest rate and lower your monthly payment. So if you can get into a home that you love without any competition at a temporary lower interest rate and a lower payment, let's take a look at that. Again, I'm Troy, your loan guy with the Reichert Mortgage Team. Give us a call. Contact information is right there. Look forward to chatting with you. Have a great one. Take care.